Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to remove Meta AI from Instagram. So if you are fortunate enough to live in those few countries which allows Meta AI, who have the options of Meta AI, and unfortunately you won't remove it, you don't like it for some reason, so the best thing that you can do to do that is just go to your settings and then go to your Instagram settings. So just search for Instagram, open up your Instagram settings here, and then what you need to do, open it up, and then once you open it up, so what you can do is simply uninstall it. Yes, you just have to uninstall it and then reinstall it. So especially when you reinstall, you can try to reinstall maybe a bit older version from Google, because you can get a lot of if it's Android especially, you can get a lot of cracked versions of these Instagram, or like older versions you can find from Google search as well. So you can try to reinstall that, or just reinstall another version of Instagram, and that should fix up this issue. And this only works for certain devices, so just give it a go and see if it works for you. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.